Well, it's day 2 of the protest here by the resident doctors at Nimans Hospital. Hundreds of them have been demanding that there should be a CBI inquiry, not just that, a central act to protect the doctors as well. You can see them, of course, here once again at the neuro block here. They've been going to each block, trying not just, staging a protest here, but also trying to speak to the people, trying to tell them that this is not in any way a means to try to inconvenience the patient, but here to put their point forward very strongly. And here you can see multiple placards which says, "Should I just quit?" You put up, this slogan here on your placard. Is this how this incident has made doctors across the country?
Yes, of course, because we are working in the night hours, 36 hours duty we are doing, and that time if you're not safe, then where do we go? We cannot go to our home place and work there. We have to be in the hospitals and work there only. Yeah. So it has to be safe. We have to be safe at our workplaces. If we are not safe, then we will obviously not be safe. We will not even feel like going to our workplace after that.
Would this protest continue? Because right now, as far as the Chief Minister of West Bengal says that, till Sunday, the state police will continue investigating this matter. The CBI doesn't have to come in at this point in time. What are your primary demands until when the protest will end?
No, definitely this protest will keep going until justice is served. Once again, I'm stating that we are not jeopardizing any emergency patient care or any patient services. But if this is just a peaceful protest, we strongly condemn this heinous crime until proper justice is served. It doesn't matter who is inquiring. There should be a fair and transparent inquiry in whatever has come across. And we will continue our protest until justice is served and until this is the last time such an incident happens in the country.
Right. So it's pretty clear here. They're saying protest will continue until they bring in laws to ensure that incidents do not happen.
Two key demands from there also: central act to protect the saviors, the doctors across the country is the demand from the doctors in Bengaluru. Apart from that, fair and transparent inquiry investigation is something that they are looking forward to. Stay on with us, Deepak. Let me now go across to my colleague Govind as well, joining us from Bhopal. Govind, over to you. Tell us, what is it that the doctors there are saying?
Yeah, absolutely. You know that outrage is intensifying as the hours and days are passing to the incidents which occurred there in West Bengal, and demand for the CBI inquiry is raising, in fact. And you know that the protest is continuing all across the nation, from West Bengal to Delhi. So in Bhopal too, here you see dozens and hundreds of medical students and resident doctors who are on their demand, specifically their main concern for the safety. In fact, when somebody is in the profession of doctory, they definitely work around the clock. In fact, sometime even in the night hours they have to work, and their safety should be ensured. In fact, आप लोग क्या डिमांड कर रहे हैं? क्या बंगाल की घटना को देखकर आपको लगता है कि सुरक्षा मेन कंसर्न है आपका?
The culprit should be caught. That's it.
Culprit should be
caught, and that too openly. The investigation to be done openly.
And strictly punished.
Yes.
What all your demand?
My demand उससे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है कि आपकी थिंकिंग क्या है, वो हम जानना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि बहुत सारे मैसेजेस में ऐसा सर्कुलेट किया जा रहा है कि लड़की अकेले क्यों गई थी. वो लड़की अकेले अगर जाएगी भी तो वो आपसे पूछ के नहीं जाएगी. उसकी सेफ्टी का इशू, उसका सेफ्टी की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आपकी, उसके लिए आप क्या कर रहे हो, आपको हमें जवाब देने की बारी है. हमसे क्वेश्चन करने की बारी अभी नहीं है.
So absolutely, these are in fact those medical students who are having their concern for the security, and they are asking to the society that why the victim is being questioned, that why she was alone there. So this is what the protest continuing all across the nation. In fact,
thank you very much for now for joining us with all of those details. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this. With this, viewers, we'll slip into a very, very short break, but lots coming up for you on the other side as well. Don't go anywhere.